Congressman Steve King of Iowa, once again, seeming to suggest to a group of conservatives earlier today that the human population might not exist had it not been for rape and incest throughout history. Here's that video from the Des Moines Register. Watch this.
What if it was okay, and what if we went back through all the family trees and just pulled those people out that were products of rape and incest? Would there be any population of the world left if we did that? Considering all the wars and all the rape and pillage that's taken place and whatever happened in culture after society, I know I can't certify that I'm not part of a product of that.
All right, so those comments were Congressman King's defense of not allowing exceptions for rape and incest in anti-abortion legislation that he tried to pass through Congress. MSNBC has reached out to King's office for comment. We have not yet heard back. If we do, we will bring it to you throughout this hour. A litany of 2020 Democratic candidates blasting King for his comments, as you can expect. Some have demanded that he resign. Others are asking donors to give money to his 2020 competitor. Our Josh Letterman caught up with candidate Pete Buttigieg a short time ago and asked him about King's controversial comments. Take a listen.
It's extremely disturbing, and I would think anybody who had said something that extreme would resign. But then again, I doubt that he'll actually do it. So we're just going to have to beat him the old-fashioned way. Thankfully, there's a terrific candidate in J.D. Scholten, and I think voters in that district are looking for a change.
All right, so Congressman King's challengers, you heard there, Mayor Pete referenced. J.D. Scholten issued a statement saying, yet again, Steve King puts his selfish, hateful ideology above the needs of the people of Iowa's 4th District. Excusing violence in any way is entirely unacceptable.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.